Looking fancy should never be a fuss, whether the hem's falling on your favourite formal fit or you simply want to get the perfect length. Here's how to mend it. All ready? Let's repair your invisible hem. This technique will keep your stitches out of sight, just like the ones on a suit trouser. First, work out where you want the hem to sit and pin into place. Turn the clothing inside out so you can see the fold. If you need, adjust the hem to the desired position, and then use a temporary tacking stitch to prevent the fabric from moving around. What's that, you ask? Watch our how-to guide for tacking stitches. Everything even and ready? Okay, time to remove those pins and fix in place. The stitch we're going to use is called an uneven slip stitch. Thread your needle with a knot in the end, bringing the needle and thread out through the fold of the hem. Then move up towards the main garment fabric. Keep the stitch small, being sure you only catch a few threads of the main fabric, and don't go all the way through to the other side. Pull the needle and thread through, and go back down through the top folded edge, pushing it along every 5 mm. Keep using this technique all the way around the hem's folded edge. Your stitches don't need to be perfect, your clothes just need to be worn again. Now fix it together at the end with a few stitches. Trim the threads, pull out that row of temporary tacking stitches. And look at that, not a stitch to be seen. Congrats, you made it! Stay tuned for more Love It for Longer content, helping you get more from your wardrobe.